Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. My name is Kiran Birkor and you are watching my channel. Today we are going to start examples of exercise 1 of chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. You know what? Most of the students take this chapter as a difficult chapter, but that's not true. The truth is, this is the easiest chapter, but the thing is, you have to understand this chapter. So that's why I'm here. Let's start first example, that is, given that tangent is equal to 4 by 3, find trigonometric ratios of the angle A. Let's start solution. Given that tangent is equal to 4 by 3, I hope you all know the formula of tangent, which is perpendicular by base. But for that, firstly we have to take a right angle triangle. So let's take a right angle triangle. Let's take this angle as A, this as B and this as C. B is at 90 degree. Now according to A, this is angle A. According to angle A, perpendicular is this, because the side opposite to angle, this can be any angle. We have to take A because they ask for angle A. So perpendicular is opposite side and the base is adjacent side and the remaining is hypotenuse. Okay. Now base is equal to 4 and perpendicular is equal to perpendicular is equal to 4 and base is equal to 3. Now we have to find hypotenuse. We have the formula according to Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. With the help of this formula, we can find the hypotenuse. We have perpendicular is equal to 4 square plus base is equal to 3 square. 4 square is equal to 16 plus 3 square is equal to 9. This becomes 25. Now we have to take square root on both sides and the hypotenuse becomes 5. Now this is equal to 5. Perpendicular is equal to 4 and base is equal to 3. Now we have to know that which trigonometric ratios we have to find. So these are first sine, cos, cosecant, secant. We have tangent is equal to 4 by 3 and cot. Okay. Now formula for sine is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So this becomes 4 by 5. Formula for cos is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So this becomes 3 by 5. Cosecant is opposite or maybe reciprocal of sine. So we can take it as 1 by sine theta, sine A. This becomes 5 by 4 and secant is reciprocal of cos. This becomes 5 by 3 and cot is reciprocal of tangent, so this becomes 3 by 4. Now we are finding all these ratios about angle A. So we have to use the angle A, sine A, cosecant A, tangent A, cot A, secant A and cos A. So these all are the trigonometric ratios which we have to find. So this is our first example. Let's start with second example. Now in this example, there is given that the right angle triangle is ABC and the right angle is B. In the previous example, we have already taken the angle B as its right angle. But in this example, this is given. And the tangent A is equal to 1 in this example, and we have to verify that 2 sine A cos A is equal to 1. This is a very similar example to our first example, that's why I am taking this. Let's start this example. In this example, tangent A is equal to 1. We can take 1 as 1 by 1. This means perpendicular is equal to 1 and base is also equal to 1. Now we have to draw a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree, and we have to find cos and sine along the angle A. Again, perpendicular is this, which means opposite side to angle A, and adjacent side to A is base and the remaining side is hypotenuse. Now we have to find the hypotenuse in this example as we find in first example. Let's start to find the hypotenuse. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, again hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. In this example, perpendicular is equal to 1 and base is also is equal to 1. That's why we have to fill perpendicular is equal to 1 plus base is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. By taking square root on both sides, hypotenuse becomes under root 2. This means hypotenuse is equal to under root 2, perpendicular is equal to 1 and base is equal to 1. Now we have to verify that 2 sine A cos A is equal to 1, and for that we have to find sine A and cos A. We have perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. We can easily find sine and cos. Sine A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, this becomes 1 by under root 2, and cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse, this becomes again 1 by under root 2. Now we have to put these two values in this equation's left hand side. Now taking left hand side is equal to 2 sine A cos A. Value of sine A is equal to 1 by under root 2 and value of cos A is also 1 by under root 2. I hope you know that under root 2 into under root 2 becomes 2. So this is cancelled, 2 is cancelled with 2, and the answer is 1, which is right hand side. So this is our second example, which is very easy. I hope you understand all these two examples. These are very easy. Now I am going to end this video, but in the next video we will do some another examples, so don't miss that video. And if you don't subscribe my channel till now, then please subscribe and like the video. Okay, bye. Meet in the next video.